playtime or lunchtime.
Can I have a drink?
So 45 and 2 zigzags, baby, that's all we need. We can go to the park, tap the dog, smoke that tumbleweed.
Where are you? Oh, oh, you. Oh my God! Oh no!
I love you. Put me.
What you say? That you only meant well, well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, 'cause it is. What you say? That it's just what we need. You decided this. What you say? What did she say? Some notes keep falling out your mouth. Mid-sweet talk.
Hold them, Charlie. No, he's to forward the cars.